Hello everybody, this is Elite Gamers here, and we are going to be doing an how to install video. This episode it's going to be how to install desmume. Alright, so we're going to start off by going to www.coolroms.com. Let me just close that, and instead of that, we're going to use Safari. So I was just doing that one. Add history. So what you're going to want to do is go to this website, coolrom.com. I'll leave a link down in the description. If you want to go to ROM files, go to Nintendo DS simulators. And this installation is for a Mac, so I think it's pretty much the same for Windows, but the top one is for Windows and then the bottom one is for Macs. What you want to do is you're gonna want to hit download the Mac and download now, and you have to wait for that. And then a download your file will appear. And nothing's gonna happen. And to download a ROM, you're gonna want to go to Nintendo DS. Want to find one that you know. I have Platinum down already. You can make it show off. Yeah, no, you can play from. Wait, you can actually do that? I didn't know that you could play ROMs on your phone, on your iPhone, Windows Phone, or Android. I actually did not know that. Give me a second. I'm gonna try to do that. It says the download's done. And once you have that download, you just want to double click it, and it's doing all that stuff. And cool. And you want to drag this desmume one right here. You want to drag it down there. And then once you have that down, and I don't want to download another one because I'll take way too long. And once you have that, you want to go to there's gonna be a little file right here. Let me just pull it out. It should be somewhere around here. Clean up by date created. It's gonna be like this. And you know what you're gonna want to do is double unzip that. I mean, this is gonna be like the emulator thing, and then you're gonna want to open with, that, and then go into here and find that thing. It should be right here, and you drag it onto there. You're gonna want to hit open. and this thing should pop up, and you should hit that button, and then with that you want to hit enter. Let me put down the volume, that thing's way too loud. Enter, and then enter again. Then here you have it, guys. You have successfully installed desmume and what it comes with it, pretty much. You have done it. If you guys have any problems with it, please leave. Tell me what happened, and I'll try to get back to you with an answer if I know of an answer. But I don't, so sorry, guys. This has been Elite Gamers here with a how to install video. Goodbye.